Alright, I am back and ready for math. Today we have extending patterns. So they're using 3D shapes to extend patterns. And you know we have these little blocks at school. And I wish we were at school and we could do it, but I think y'all know patterns, so let's just see what we know. The easiest way to do a pattern is to say it out loud. So let's say this. We've got cylinder, cylinder, ball. Cylinder, cylinder, ball. Cylinder, cylinder, what is it? What comes after two cylinders every time? We have 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. So we need a 2. What is a 2? It's a ball. All right, so we have 2 cylinders and a ball. 2 cylinders and a ball. All right, let's look at the next one. We have square, ball, cylinder. Square. Oh, it's repeated again because it started with square and number 2 was a ball and then we had a 3. So we had 1, 2, 3 and so now we're back at 1 again because we started with a square. The next thing should be a ball, is it? A ball and then a cylinder. What should come next? Square, ball, cylinder. What should come next? Here, I've got them numbered. 1 is square, 2 is ball, 3 is cylinder. 1 is square, 2 is ball, 3 is cylinder. 1 is square, 2 is ball, 3 is cylinder. What comes next? Number 1, a square. All right, let's look at number 3. Ooh, this is a different pattern. So we've got cube on top of cube, and it's orange and purple. Now we have to pay attention to the colors this time. And then we've got a cylinder and a rectangular prism. So how many changes do we have there? We have 1, and the next one is different, so that's a 2, and the next one is different, so that's a 3. So number them 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 things there. And then we have another number 1. Because orange on the top, blue on the bottom, that looks just like number 1. So let's put a 1, and then we have a 2, and then we have a 3. So we can see the pattern is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So what is 1? Because after 3 comes 1. It's the cube and the cylinder. Don't just rush through this. I know this is easy, but I'm wanting you to see the type of patterns that we have. See, we had a 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Then we had a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and we had that again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now let's look at the next one. Oh, it's 2 cubes, so it's 1, 1, and then a rectangular prism. 2. 2 cubes, 1, 1, 2. So this is like number 1. 2 cylinders and a ball, except it's 2 cubes and a prism. 2 cubes and a prism. And then we have a 1. And what do we need again? It's 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. So the next 1, 1 would be the cube. All right, and now it says draw shapes to repeat the base pattern. So I'm going to have to get, we need a blue and a red. So I need a dark blue, and I need my red, which I have a reddish orange, so I'll have. So the first one is square, so that's a number 1. And then we have a 2, 2, because we have 2 rectangular cubes. 2, 2, all right. That's the end of the pattern. So now it has to start all over with a 1. What is a 1? 1 square. And then what comes next in the pattern? 2 rectangular prisms. So we have a 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2. It's kind of like a dance. Did you know a dance is a pattern of steps? It is. All right, let's look at the next one. It's a different pattern. It's got 2 circles, so that's a 1 and a 1. And then it has 2 just alike, 2 green triangles, so we need a green. That's a 2 and a 2. So what this pattern is 1, 1, 2, 2. 1, 1, 2, 2. 1, 1, 2, 2. So what comes next? 1, 1. And what comes next? 1, 1, 2, 2. 1, 1, 2, 2. Okay. All right, let's see what's on the back. More. Can you do this by yourself? If you will number them like I did on the front, let's just do one more. Wait a minute. Let me read the directions. That might be helpful. Circle each kind of figure used in the picture. Okay, so this is not a pattern. We are just going to find the shapes that are used in this picture. So do they use rectangular prisms? Because the first thing they show is a rectangular prism. I don't see any. Do they have cubes? Yes. Do they have cylinders? Yes. Do they have cones? No. All right, you can do that by yourself. Let's look at the bottom. It says time to review. Do you remember how to do a thermometer? When the temperature outside gets hot, what happens to the red liquid in the thermometer? It goes up, so it's getting hotter. When it gets cold, what happens to the red liquid? Goes down because it's getting colder. How do you count on these thermometers? Not all thermometers are measured the same way, but these are counting by, I can see the numbers are in tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, but there's a mark in between. What does that stand for? Well, what's halfway in between 10 and 20? 15. What's halfway in between 20 and 30? 25. So it's actually counting by fives. So we go 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. All right, what did it stop on? 80, 70, or 60? You figure that one out. What did the next one stop on? Would you eat an ice cream cone at 90 degrees or at 20 degrees? Would your bowl of soup be 30 degrees or 100 degrees? The actual bowl of soup, if you measured the temperature. Remember, as the thermometer goes down, it gets cold. As it goes up, it gets hot. I'm going to let you figure that one out by yourself. And that is all we have to do in math today. Easy peasy breezy. All right, so we have to do art and we have to do science. So I will be back for those in just a minute.